What's the first thing you have to print when you get a new 3D printer? You already know, it's a Benchy. I just unboxed the Bambu Lab P1S, and of course the first test print had to be the classic torture test. This little boat is a go-to for testing print speed, accuracy and overhangs, but how well does the P1S handle it? Alright, moment of truth. Did the Benchy come out perfect, or is it heading straight for the bin? Let's check it out. Not bad at all. Solid bridging, smooth walls and no major defects. For a first print straight out of the box, I'm impressed.